is Ilya and welcome to my channel. On this channel I'm teaching you different skills which I learned over the years. I am technology entrepreneur, photographer, and I'm very passionate about unique food recipes. In this video I would like to share my favorite recipe on how to make pickled watermelon. If you've ever been in a Russian party or an Eastern European restaurant, you have probably seen on the menu or tried a pickled watermelon. This is a unique dish which has lots of sour and a little bit of sweet flavor, and for me it's always a highlight of any party. This is a very simple recipe and will take you only 10 to 15 minutes in preparation time. People have been pickling fruits and vegetables for thousands of years. In addition to preservation benefits and extended shelf life of the food, pickled watermelon has lots of health benefits, especially rind, which is a wide area right underneath the skin of the watermelon, typically goes to waste, but for this recipe it's a keeper. Rind is a great source of fiber, vitamin B and vitamin C. Also, if you accidentally picked an unripe watermelon in the store, this is a great way to convert it into something wonderful. Okay, let's begin. For this recipe we're gonna need the following ingredients. You're gonna need seedless watermelon, 5 to 6 pounds, garlic, 3 to 4 cloves, dill, 1 bunch, brine with the following proportion: 4 cups of warm water mixed with 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and finally dry mustard, 1 teaspoon. Now preparation steps. Those are quite simple. So step 1. Prepare all the ingredients. Step 2. Wash dill and cut finely. Put chopped dill on the bottom of the medium-sized pot. Step 3. Add thinly sliced garlic to the bottom of the pot. Step 4. Wash watermelon. Cut on the fine triangle 1-inch slices, just like that. Step 5. Add first layer of watermelon in the pot and sprinkle some dill and garlic on top. Step 6. Repeat the process of adding layer of watermelon, dill and garlic until the pan is full. Step 7. Create brine using 1 tablespoon of salt and 4 cups of water. Use warm water, roughly about 100 degrees. Mix the brine. You need to cover the watermelon to very top of the pan. For my pot I had to use 8 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of salt. Step 8. Add dried mustard on top of the pot to prevent mold. Step 9. To prevent watermelon from floating, cover watermelon with the plate and add the light weight on top. Step 10. Keep watermelon outside at the room temperature, roughly about 70 degrees, for 2 to 3 days. On third day, cool watermelon in the fridge and it's ready to serve. And that's it. Short and simple. Very simple recipe of pickled watermelon. I guarantee that this dish will be a great conversation piece for your next dinner party. I hope you like this recipe. If you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you again for watching.